Here's how to show sensitive content on Tumblr. So in this video, I'm going to exactly show you how you can see or watch sensitive content on Tumblr. So make sure you watch this video till the end to exactly know what to do. First of all, what you have to do is just go to your web browser and then go to Tumblr. So as you can see, I'm already on Tumblr and I've logged in. So what you have to do is just press on this account right over here. Just press on this arrow. Once you click on it, you will be able to see an option called settings. You could just go to settings directly, but if you don't see the option of settings directly, just press on account and go to settings. So once you're in settings here, as you can see, just scroll down a bit until you see content you see option. So here you will see filter tags, filter post content, and then community labels. Just don't touch any of them. And here you will be able to see another section called mature. So you get three options right over here. One's called hide, and then blur, and then show. So if you want to watch any type of sensitive content, you're just going to press mature. So once you press mature, it's going to reload the tab and just go down. And here, as you can see, that you can now watch mature content just like this and anything written over here. So you could just basically watch any type of content. And yeah, that's how you can watch or show sensitive content on Tumblr. So I hope this video helped you out, and yeah, leave a like and drop a comment under this video, and yeah, subscribe, and then goodbye. Peace out until then.